Hey guys, how's it going? Jason here for the Love of Tractors. I'm here with my decked out New Holland. What is this, a T900? I'm actually going to pull the hood off here and make sure I get this right. No, I'm not. Can't read that. Letters are too small. Oh my gosh. How many times are we going to do that? Anyway, so my New Holland, I've made a detail kit for this, and you can find that on my Shapeways store, shapeways.com/shops/FTLOT, and For the Love of Tractors is what that stands for. And it's a pretty basic kit, and it's not very expensive, and I think it really dresses these tractors up. So what I've done here is I've taken the stock Ertl. This is a farm show, like 2011 farm show edition, and I've added rails, mirrors, flashers, rear flasher bar, new wheels and tires, and I wanted to make it easy for you to do that too if you wanted one, because these tractors are okay from Ertl. Like, Ertl has had a sketchy history with their New Holland tractors. Like, they're not necessarily well decked out. Let me find one here. Oh well, it's going to be impossible to find one I haven't already customized. As you guys know, I like New Holland tractors. We've had numerous on the farm over the years. We had a 9680, a 9382, which we still have, a 9384. Actually, I think we had we had a 9382, a 9384, a 9682, a 9882, and then a TJ450. So we've gone through some New Hollands on the farm. They're good tractors, good rugged tractors. So lots of horsepower, so on and so forth. So I just wanted a toy that was well decked out. And you guys have seen my 3D printed New Hollands over the years already, and some of the other customs I've showed. But this tractor in particular, I always thought it had potential if you stuck some big tires on there. So the tires, first off, are not mine. Those are 800 series tires from Mini Toy Truck and Tractor. So if you want those, you'll have to go through them and get them. The wheels, the rims, rims, whatever you want to call them, those are mine. Those are on my Shapeways store. You can get them in like an 8-pack. And they're not cheap, I'm not going to lie, but that's the nature of the beast when you're 3D printing rims and hubs. Wheels, whatever you want to call them. The rest of this kit, though, isn't too bad. Off the top of my head, I'm not real sure what I'm going to price it at. Like, I'm going to try to keep it in like the like $15 range, I hope. And you get this flasher bar. Now, the flasher bar, it depends. You may want to get my other flasher bar, which I can show you that. Oh, it's over there in the shed in the other New Holland. Maybe I can't show you that. Not right now. Well, this is a video fail. Anyway, all right, moving on. So I have a smaller flasher bar, but if you want both the red and the orange, you want the bigger flasher bar. And for this tractor, I want the bigger flasher bar. Anyway, moving on. So the mirrors and flashers on both sides, they come in my detail kit. They all come together. They're very, that way you don't have to put the flashers on. All you got to do is paint them and, apply them to the tractor. And then you're going to get rails here, 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 and then here, here, and here, here. And so that's it. That's really it. It's a simple kit. There, you can kind of get a shot of those rails, I think, on everything. It's a simple kit. It looks good. Like I said, it's not super expensive. And I think if you add it with a nice set of wheels and tires, it really dresses up this tractor quite a bit. Now, one other thing I did to this, just to sort of make it pop a little bit, or I think it did anyway. Okay, sorry. I had a camera malfunction. Anyway. As I was saying, these rear weights come from Ertl like that, but what really makes them pop is if you just hit them with some glossy black paint. Then they look like metal weights and not cheap plastic weights. And I did the same thing with those, and then also, and it's really hard to see here, the PTO and the hydraulic outlets and all that stuff. Just brush on some black and it'll look awesome. And then I did the same thing up here on the muffler and the intake pipe. It just, exhaust pipe, not intake pipe. It just gets rid of some of that plastic look, and black plastic in general on toys can look pretty crappy. So So that's this tractor, basically. The next step, I think, for this tractor, I'm going to devise a front weight kit for it to fit up into there, under there. And, you know, that's probably about it. Like, I could get crazy, I guess. I do have a rear hitch, which comes with the kit. If you want to do it, great. If you don't, that's fine. I didn't do it on this tractor. Reasons. I may sell this tractor, actually. So, that's why. But, and usually a lot of you guys... if you put a realistic hitch on there, it limits your market when you're selling it, where a lot of guys want that Ertl hitch so they can hook Ertl implements up to it. So I totally get that, and so that's what I did. Alright guys, I guess that'll do it. Short, sweet video, I hope. I just wanted to show off this kit a little bit, remind you guys you can head to my Shapeways store. I've got this kit, I've got lots of other stuff on there. Some of the early stuff I did is maybe not awesome. It's not so great. But the stuff I've been turning out the last year or so, I think is pretty incredible. I've got the field cultivator kit, the disc kit, these detail kits. I've got other detail kits on there, the fertilizer buggies and all that stuff. So there's all sorts of neat stuff on there if you want. So I'd appreciate it if you check it out. It just kind of keeps me going. So, all right, guys, have a wonderful day. I appreciate you watching as always. You're the best. Let's do a live chat again soon. What do you guys think about that? So hopefully we can get past the 4th of July holiday here. We'll do that. So, all right, guys, have a wonderful day. Happy tractor hunting.